Hi, darling. Look at you.
Look at you, darling.
How you doing? Hello, darling. How you doing? Hello, brother. How you doing? All good? Give me the hug. Yo, what's up? Yo. Hello.
You let me join me the phones. Thank you, Ellie. Sayang, sayang. And love is for me back. You the for me this land. You thank you, Holiday Bali. We always some love is body tickets and the for me. He the say. Beautiful, sweet.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Take care. Good luck, yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you. This is the corner where you can meet the singing guy and somebody have a nice car actually. I think this is the tour. Singing guy is over there and this is the mural, so it's easy, very easy to find him on the corner of Jalan Padma. See, today I'm doing request vlog, actually vlog dedicated for you, for my fans, asking me how is the singing guy, how Bali Mandira, how is the Padma area, how is the garlic lane, and so on. I used to watch, actually I'm watching all the time, the one guy, his name is Chris Parker from Thailand. His channel name is Retired Working For You, and he's always saying, I'm working for you. I'm not working for you, I'm not retired. However, today I'm making video specially for you. This is the Padma Street corner, actually Padma and Padma Uchara. And I'm gonna show you raw material, what's going on. There are already some people walking around as always. Actually, Padma is getting busier and busier. Legian overall slowly is waking up. And, well, looks better, definitely. This is like an Asian spice, taxi drivers, poser pub. Hello!
How are you?
Good. Very nice. This is the corner of Poser Pub. So many people already enjoying the time. Taxi driver was very nice. And all the businesses here are definitely looking at. Hello. Thank you so much, brother. Definitely much more optimistic. Even some younger people also passing by here around. Tattoo studio, massage shops, pearls shops. This is how they deliver your beverage. Like this one, the guy delivering. Silver, sunglasses, t-shirts, shirts, clothes, everything.
Hi.
Yo, what's
brother.
up? How you doing, brother?
All good, brother?
All good, brother.
All good, man.
And over there. And this is the legendary street called Poppies. Garlic Lane, not Poppies, right? Poppies. Garlic Lane. Here we go again, guys. I'm here. And it's actually really not so bad. Hello, brother. How you doing? All good? So many happy people. Hello. Shoe. Oh, sayang, you're looking for shoe like this one. You can buy here in the shop, Garlic Lane. Promo 23 for beverage people. Definitely a lot of more actions going on. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? All good? Yo, boss from the bike. Everything is here. And there's like some hotel. Very nice suit. I should get myself and walk on the streets over here. Definitely I will be I will be making attention around from the people who are working here if I will have a suit like this one. And actually so many people around. Seems like a brand new restaurant in the Garlic Lane over here. Have to stop a little bit. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? I met the fans again. Hello. Give me the hug. How you doing? All good? All good?
All good, yeah.
Enjoying Bali?
Yes, we are.
We've only been here a couple of days, but we've got 2 weeks.
All right.
So it's really exciting.
Where you
Thank
from?
you for all your information.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
WA.
WA.
Albany, WA.
Right down the south.
You know, guys, right?
Fantastic.
Yes.
So lovely to see you.
Lovely
Meet
to
you.
see you guys. See you guys, happy days. In Legian, definitely better vibe than it was. There was, wow, actually so many new restaurants open over here. I'm gonna show you. So that was the one new cafe what I was vlogging when was nobody around. There are a group of the people over here. Brand new cafe, and here the local. Yo, I think this guy must know me, right? How you doing?
Hello, legend.
How you doing, brother?
Love your work, eh?
Thank you so much.
So good. I've been watching all your stuff in Australia. G'day, everyone. Unreal, man.
I see.
Thanks. I've been following you, and that's been really good, eh?
I appreciate that.
Really cool, man. Really
Thank
good.
you. See, guys, Bali is that small island when I walking literally not even 1 minute, not even 20 meters, and over fence. Let's see if somebody else gonna recognize me in the very near future. Meanwhile, very loud here over here. Hello. So loud. Hello. Thank you. That's the business. Yeah. Take care. You're welcome. Free ads for everyone today. Every business on the street, free ads. Exclusively today. And there's the Hanover bar. What's the name? The Legend? The Legend, something like that. Everything is open. Or if not open, they fixing it and they're gonna open in the very, very near future. Garlic Lane is back. All the shops are open. The Legend, what I was just talking about. Another shoe shop. Tattoo. And then the Billy 69. Yo. So happy vibes. Unbelievable. So happy vibes and so happy people everywhere around. Even the boys who are smoking are happy. Bintang's Hours Bar is also open again, and there is the Garlic Lane at the front. Boys trying offer you transport, the motor. So many people walking around. Actually, I'm impressed because it wasn't that busy when I was last time. And the Garlic restaurant. The Garlic restaurant actually is supposed to be on the top, but I'm not sure if it's open or not. Welcome back to Garlic Lane restaurant. This looks like this. I'm not sure if it's open or not. However, it's made be. An overall situation looks like this one. Oh, hello, darling. How are you doing? Yes. Okay. No questions. All right. Take care. I like your sunglasses. Hi, darling. Look at you.
Look at you, darling.
How you doing? Take care. Beautiful place. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. How are you?
Aussie.
Corona.
Pak Corona. Sis
Very
Corona.
nice. Very nice. Very good. Take care. Keep doing great job. Thank you. All right. I'm speechless. Don't know what to say. The fake bags here, guys. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Ooh. See, today's video is slightly hectic and I'm moving my camera very fast because this is the natural vibe of the Garlic Lane and Legion itself. If it's busy, the vibe is back. You cannot walk here very peacefully. That's why yeah, here everything will be hectic and I'm trying to make a video very natural. How does it work like? And meanwhile, this is the end of the Garlic Lane, Karla Spa over spas and the street to going to Kuta Beach. Everything is open. I'm gonna head back to the Kuta Beach now. So if you go there will be Legion Street and overall situation in the corner of the Garlic Lane seems very busy. Karla Spa construction, taxi drivers, Minimart. This is the Garlic Lane already, the traffic. A lot of is going on again. Transport brothers, how you doing? No shortage of the transport in Legion in Kuta. Thank you so much. Yeah, they will come, no worries. Tacho, me not Tacho, see? But maybe next time, alright? Take care. Good luck with your business, okay? Don't know what's the name of this street actually when I'm walking. However, if you're gonna go straight, there is the Kuta Legion Beach overall. I mean, yo, what's up, Rara? There's so many bars and actually so many people. Actually pretty a lot. I'm very impressed, especially as it's Monday afternoon. It's not weekend and it's 4 p.m. Unbelievable, actually. I'm so impressed with that. And overall, this is the Legion art market actually. So many shops with the clothes like this one you can find over here, and overall kinda busy, I could say, today. So I'm gonna say finally super positive, funny vibes in Legion are back, guys. Unbelievable. We have to wait almost 2.5 years for that, but everything is back now. Legion Beach Hotel situation. Legion Beach Hotel is open. There's very big strong light actually coming. Some people already over here. Here we go, enjoying. There's like a little traffic jam due to this truck who is trying to reverse to the very small gang. This is serious actually. serious thing. People driving have to get out motorbikes. Hard job being a driver like this. And check this out, what is over here? The truck with the people who are drinking. I hope so they're not gonna split the beer to me like last time. Yo, what's up? Yo! They just enjoy and they vibe. Here we go, guys. This is the beach bar, belongs to the Bali Legion Hotel for our mate Alan. Long time no hear from you. I know you have problems with your health. I hope so you're keeping well. We always remember about you and every one of you guys. I remember most of your names, guys, because you know we are doing videos for 2.5 years, so it's hard to don't remember, especially for every one of you guys who comment very regularly, almost every day. Anyways, this bars on the wheels, whatever they call it, they are 3 companies in Bali, I think. And last time somebody asked me, what's the local people thinking about them, seeing tourists enjoying them time like this? That's a good question. Local boys selling the corn and other goodies on the motorbike shop, whatever you call this. And so I was passing, actually, I was following one of these bars on the wheels going to Legion. On the Padma street, actually, and I saw the local people actually most likely they are smiling or laughing or joking about the people who are driving like that. So definitely nobody thinking bad about you or something. They more likely they are just happy and laughing. Guys, if I can have a favor for you, if you can find the 1 second of your time right now and hit this red subscribe button to subscribe my channel if you are new, and put the big thumb up. This is also for free. It takes you literally 1 second of the time. I took 1 hour to make this video. It's gonna take you 1 second to help me totally for free. You don't need to give me anything. Just big like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow on next one, every day 4 p.m.